A very good morning to all of you. Welcome to English class. In today's class, we will study worksheets of Unit 7 from grammar book or from practice book. So let's get started. Here we go. So present perfect tense. As we have already studied that we use third form of the verb with has and have. The helping verbs of present perfect tense are has and have as already taught in previous class. So now read the following sentences taken from the section D, Hina's determination, unit where there is a will, there is a way, of my English reader. I have never had a prize. So have plus third form. You have heard of Winston Churchill. So have heard here, heard. Just you are to notice one thing that with have you or has you are to use third form of the verb. Perfect tense where action is complete. So this scientist has given so many discoveries to the world. So action is complete at the time of speaking. That is perfect tense as we have discussed already. So underline the verbs in the sentence we and see as done in the sentence A. Notice that these verbs tell us that the action is complete at the time of speaking. Now we will start worksheet 1, not so far. Write down 5 things you have not done so far. What you want to do. Follow the examples given below. I have not ridden, rode, ridden an elephant. So okay, now write, rode, ridden. Have plus third form. I have not seen, have plus third form, the Taj Mahal. I have not visited moon. Even means we the work which you have not done and but you want to do. You may not be able to do what you want to do. Okay, I have never visited Disneyland. I have never visited America. You can even write simple places means around you. Like if you want to visit Dharamshala, Shimla, or Chamba, you can write that places as well. Means common examples where you want to visit. I have not seen Lotus Temple. I have never ridden kangaroo. Means but sometimes what happens? We imagine these lands. So here you are asked that what you want to do, what you have not done. So that just we also feel like that I wish I visit Lotus Temple like this. So many dreams we see. So okay, when action is complete, it is at the time of speaking, it is your perfect tense, and in perfect tense with has or have used third form. So it is your worksheet 1. Let's go ahead. Worksheet 2, spot the difference. Now, what is there? One room is in total mess. Means things are, you can see the things which are scattered here and there. And this room is tidy room. Tidy means neat and clean. This is things are arranged in proper order. Here, things are scattering here and there. So in picture B, Mrs. Jan has arranged the books on the shelf. Now exactly in this picture, Mrs. Jan, Mrs. Jan has arranged the room and Mrs. Jan is mother who has arranged the room. As what happens, we go to school and we throw the things here and there, and when we come back, then our mothers they clean our room. So this is Rahul's room exactly, and Rahul has left the things like this and he had gone to school, but his mother cleaned his room and arranged all the things. So you can see the difference and then fill here. So Mrs. Jain is the mother of Rahul. So Mrs. Jain has arranged, has plus third form. the books on the shelf, you will just remember one thing, that you are to use present perfect tense only. So has and have are the helping verbs, and with has have we use third form of the verb. So you will use only has have plus third form. She has switched off the light. Here light is on, here light is off. She has kept the toys in the basket. Here these are scattered, here these are in basket. She has kept the chair at proper place. She has kept the clothes in the almirah. She has arranged the table properly. Now worksheet 3. Now in worksheet 3, let's read this with the help of examples. Now this is about Ankita is waiting for her mother at bus stop. As she is waiting, she listens to the other people's conversation. Now what is there in this picture? Ankita is waiting for her mother and she is listening to the other people's talks, and she is trying to guess what would have happened there. So she will write the conversation. Follow the examples done for you and guess what has happened. Means follow these examples. So now what has happened? From pictures you can guess. These are the pictures. So a boy to his friend. Congratulations. Because here you can see one trophy is there. So means from picture you are to guess and then you are to write. So boy to his friend. Congratulations. I think the boy's friend has won a prize. Then in second picture you can see an old man. This is road. This boy is making this man cross the road. So what has happened in this picture, that we will write. An old man to the boy. Thank you. I think the boy has helped the old man to cross the road. The child to her sister. Thank you so much, mom. I think the teacher has congratulated him. So this is about worksheet 3. Point 4. A boy to the lady. Sorry, I think the boy has done something wrong. Feeling sorry or saying sorry, it means I think the boy has done something wrong. Here you can see when we hold our ear with hands, it means we are saying sorry. So okay, then an old lady to the man sitting next to her. What? I think what means she wants to ask, what do you want to ask? I think the man has asked something from the lady. Then worksheet 4. Look at these pictures that depict different moods of some people. Let's guess what they are in this mood. The first one has been done for you. So okay, first picture. She is worried because her son has not returned home. This picture you can guess from the picture why a mother will worry, because her son has not returned home. In second picture, he is crying because he has his wristwatch. Because he has, you can write he has lost his wristwatch. Here you can add he has lost, because we will cry when something is lost. Here lost word you can add. Then example C. He is angry because his son has not scored good marks in exams. When fathers are angry, you can even make some other examples on seeing the pictures expressions. But okay, matching expressions you will write. She is tired. Now she is tired because she has done a lot of work. So this is all. Thank you. Have a nice day.